In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your YouTube channel URL, which for me right now is this long string of letters and numbers. So I want it to be something that I can actually say out loud and share with people. That's easy to say and remember. So in order to do this, you do have to have a couple things done first. So I'm going to click over here and show you. First, you have to have at least 100 or more subscribers on your YouTube channel. Your channel has to be at least 30 days old. You have to have uploaded a profile picture and you have to have uploaded a banner image. So if you have done those 4 things, then you are eligible to customize your YouTube URL. So to do that, back on your main channel page, if you are logged in, you will see this Customize Channel blue button right here. When you click on that, it will pop open the YouTube Studio to this layout page under Customization. And then what I want you to do is click into Basic Info, and you'll see the channel URL section right here. So I clicked to open Custom URL, and honestly, I'm a little upset that it won't let me just have Designing the Row as my URL. So I think I'm going to make it Designing the Row Videos. And call it that. You can see when I add in the word videos, it gives me a green check mark and allows me to publish. So I think I'm going to just do this since I can't just have Designing the Row. And I'm going to publish. And I'll copy this and confirm. So now, if I open up a new tab and go to youtube.com /C, which means channel, /Designing the Row Videos, it will pull up my channel page, which is so much easier to communicate and remember than this long string of whatever this mess is. So that is how you customize your YouTube channel URL. I hope this was helpful. If it was, click that like button, and I will see you in the next tutorial.